We've been pursuing innovation in the OR for decades, and until relatively recently, the majority of that innovation has been focused on providing implants that are backed by clinical evidence and designed to keep people moving. As an industry, we are now elevating the clinical experience by combining implants with tools and technologies to enable more accurate, efficient, and reproducible surgeries. Also, as an industry, we are accelerating our focus to address unmet needs before and after surgery to further advance the patient experience and their outcomes by creating connected technology platforms that capture data and generate meaningful insights to make surgery smarter and more personalized. But that vision can only become a reality once we have interoperative tools that accurately and precisely execute surgical plans, but importantly, do so effectively and efficiently. I don't just believe that robotics are useful. I would go as far as saying robotics is crucial to realizing the potential that technology can bring to total knee arthroplasty. As you all know, arthroplasty robots have been available for a number of years, but many of the solutions are complex, cumbersome, and costly. Many of the solutions add OR time, have complicated preoperative planning tools, long learning curves due to the complexity of the solution, and some have the requirement for additional imaging and therefore radiation exposure for patients, and of course the associated costs to the hospital. Last year, Synthes launched its TKR robot into India, the VELYS Robotic Assisted Solution, which is accurate, precise, and reproducible, was designed to ensure surgeon autonomy, or surgeon control throughout the procedure. There's no requirement for a CT scan or any additional technicians in the operating room, and it's incredibly compact in terms of its footprint, which allows it to be portable between ORs, particularly for surgeons wanting to run multiple operating rooms at the same time. Since our first clinical cases in the US back in 2021, we're now seeing patients, surgeons, and hospitals benefit from the efficiencies in OR time, recovery periods, and patient-reported outcomes. We are actively building out our VELYS Robotic Assisted Solution platform, and we announced to the analyst community earlier this year that we'll be launching our unicompartmental clinical application in 2024. So, coming back to the title of this presentation, will robots be useful? I would say yes. And to help me justify that, let's focus on how they address accuracy, efficiency, and outcomes. Robotic TKA has been shown to improve implant alignment and positioning. Both Chin et al. And Agarwal et al. Published a meta-analysis of robotically assisted surgeries versus conventional total and unicompartmental knee surgeries, and they found that robotics increased the accuracy of implant alignment and surgical reproducibility, which they claimed can help shorten patient recovery and reduce post-operative complications. They also found that robotic TKA can help achieve desired component alignment and positioning more often robotically versus manual TKA procedures. At Synthes, we also found that through a 80 cadaveric knee study, that when using the VELYS Robotic Assisted Solution, there was a statistically significant improvement in the ability to achieve target alignment with robots versus manual instruments, and that data was published by Doan et al. In the Journal of Arthroplasty just last year. With the addition of any technology to a hospital, we need to understand that the technology will create value for the system. There are many studies that show robotic TKA can be associated with reduced lengths of stay, more optimal discharge destinations, reduced readmissions, and reduced healthcare visits. Pierce et al., for example, showed a statistically significant reduction in hospital stay and associated costs with robotic TKA when compared to manual TKA. And Kale et al. Showed a decrease in both discharge to rehabilitation units and nursing facilities, creating significant efficiencies and savings for the hospital system. And then finally, patient outcomes. With robotics having been in the market for a number of years, there's a good amount of evidence to demonstrate that robotic TKA can improve patient outcomes and, in some studies, improve prosthesis lifespan. The first ever use of the VELYS robotic assisted solution, the first user of the VELYS robotic assisted solution, Dr. Mark Clatworthy in New Zealand, recently published his early experiences with the robot and compared them with a cohort of his patients where he'd used the BrainLab Knee 3 navigation system. He showed that using the VELYS robotic assisted solution led to reduced pain with activity and improved function at 2 and 6 weeks when compared to navigation, no significant difference in surgical skin-to-skin time, and a positive trend in patients assessed at 1 year, specifically around patient satisfaction and pain score. So clearly, we can achieve improvements in terms of outcomes even when compared with an elevated comparator such as navigation. We're at the beginning of a digital era in orthopedics, and we're starting to see clinical applications that will allow us to elevate the standard of care for patients throughout their entire treatment pathway, from pre, intra, and post-op. Robotics will be a significant element of the future of digital surgery, and with the right robot, we're able to improve accuracy, economic efficiencies, and patient outcomes. Thank you.